Sorry guys about the last video. I was under pressure to go do a very quick video and then go to a meeting, and that's why I didn't make you hear it. I wasn't just being mean. But anyway, here's the video. So as I said before, it's a full Akrapovic titanium racing system, which they call the Evo 2, and it's got the SAS removal, that aluminium thing you see there, which is the secondary air system. I would have preferred to leave it because that gives it that popping sound, but they said for performance you need to remove it. It's got a high flow air filter. It's got the KTM Akrapovic racing map. Now we have the baffle in the exhaust, so let's start it up. Let's remove that baffle. And as it's customary, what does RJ do? Come on, you bugger. Tosses it. Now without the baffle. I'm not going to run it to the rev limiter because it's still running in, and I don't want to do that to the engine. Once it's running, I'll do a dB sound test and give you the figures. Other than that, when I test rode this bike about a year ago, it had the standard exhaust, and I said KTM didn't do themselves a favor when they called it the Beast. But I tell you what, with the exhaust and the map and all the stuff that's been done on it, it has actually transformed the bike. You just gotta go out and test ride one. It is incredible. All that torque, I can't just tell you how much torque it has. It's insane. Thank you very much. Cheers.